Look, I get it. I know how hard it can be to come up with designs that sell, especially for holidays like Valentine's Day. That's why I put something together special for you. I got a huge Valentine's Day pack. You can take it, use it, and draw your own files up. Here's a couple examples. Let's open up Inkscape and open up the little file pack here. Let's throw a couple things together, see what we can come up with. Just grab one of these. Well, you can take this one right off the bat. We're just going to go up here and hit the lock aspect ratio button. Make this a little bigger so we can see what we're working with. Let's just grab, let's maybe grab one of these arrows. Just going to size this puppy. Hit the minus key to zoom out just a bit. I mean, you can do something as simple as this. Just grab it like that, put that arrow on there, highlight both of them, come up here, go to Path, Union. Now that made that one piece. We'll go over here and grab our text tool, just that little icon there. Just right out here. Just write your names out there. Go over here, grab the zoom tool, get back to what we were doing. Now, once you got your text written out, just go ahead and turn this to black. Just go up here to Path and hit Object to Path, and then hit Break Apart, and then we're going to go to Path again. We're going to hit Break Apart. That's going to separate all the letters. Now just highlight one of the names, go back up to Path, go to Combine, then do the same thing with your second name, Path, Combine. Just going to size those down a little bit to where they look good. Just put those on there, highlight everything, go up here to Path and Union. That's a simple Valentine's Day file right there. Post that sucker online, put it up on your social media, sell it, make one for the wife. Anyway, I will put a link to these files down below. Go ahead and grab them, and let's see what you come up with.